Everyone, now we are going to do one more lab for BGP. If you see, I am using the Cisco modeling lab here. This is freely available also. You have the paid version and the free version. If you see, I am using the CML free. Cisco give you this free up to 5 devices you can run here. If you want to run the 5 router same time, you can use this one. If you want to run more than 5 routers same time, then you need to go for the paid version. So starting you can use the free version. Most of the thing you can do in the free version. So what I will do here, if you want to create a new lab, click here add. You will get here dashboard and you can click this point. You will get here. This is a router. This is a switch. This is a ASA firewall. This is server. This is different types of Linux flavor. And this is unmanageable switch. So this one you can take unlimited, no issue. This one you can take unlimited, no issue. Other than that one, only 5 you can run at a time. So no worries, I will take this router. We are going to do the BGP lab now. So how we will do is just take like this, drag and drop. And if you want to change the name of the router, click here and you can go here, change the name here. Example, I want to give R1 and click this one. And then click here and go here and you can write here R2 and click this one. And if you want to connect, you can click right click and then you can see add a link. Click here and create link. So they are connected here. If you want to start, right click, start, right click, start. If you want to put the label here, click this and go here and click here and put what you want to put here. Like example 192.168.12.0/24. So if you see, I wrote here, you can highlight this and if you want to make bold, you can click here bold. Okay. So this way we can put double click and move here if you want to move anywhere. And if you want to put more here, anything, just click here and I click here and then go here where you want to write, click there. Example here I want to put, so I will put here like loopback 0 1.1.1/8. If you want to make bold, you can click this. Same thing, click here. In this text place, you can write 2.2.2.2/8. If you want to make bold, you click here. Okay, and if you want to take the console of this one, right click and you can see console. And you can see console came here, click here. This is a console of the R1. And you can press enter here and right click here. Click here, this is a console of the R2. Click here. So now you have the console of R1, R2. So let's start doing the configuration. Here I will write enable config T. I will change the name of the router as a R1 and then I will assign the IP interface E0/0 here and then I will write IP address. I'm using here 192.168.12.1. Give space, write the subnet mask. I'm using 255.255.255.0. I will write no shut. Okay. If you want here, what I done means, let me write here and show you here. So let me take my pen tool and I can show you here. So if you see what I done here, this place, I think here pen tool is not working or what. No issue, it is giving some issue. I think here I can open again and now let's see. Anyhow, even if it is not working, no problem, now it is working. So what I will do here, if you see this interface, I am going to assign the IP 192.168.12.1 this side. And this side, this is the router 2. Here I am going to assign 192.168.12.2. And here I will say this is a loopback 0. I will assign this IP. Here I will say loopback 0. I will assign this IP. Okay, now I will do the configuration. So if you see here, I assign the IP here. This one I done. Now I will create the loopback. So how I will create the loopback? I will write interface loopback 0. I will write here IP address and 1.1.1.1. Give space 255.0.0.0. Okay, I done here. Then I will write router BGP1 here, and now neighbor. I need to make the neighborship. So AS, if you let me write down here, we have the BGP2 type IBGP, EBGP. If you have the same AS, then we are calling as a IBGP. So let me write down here. I will write here AS is equal to 1, and I will make this bold. So I am writing this in between. So both the side I am using the same AS here and here. If you have both the sides same AS, we are calling as a IBGP, internal BGP. So you need to remember, here I am using the AS is equal to 1. Here also I am using AS is equal to 1. If both sides we are using the same AS, then we are calling as a IBGP. If we are using both sides as a different AS example, then EBGP. So now this lab we are having the same AS both sides. So we will say this is a IBGP. So how to do the configuration means first we assign the IP, then I write here router BGP1, then neighbor. Who is my neighbor IP? I am making the neighborship from here. I am here. I am making the neighborship from here. So 12.2. So neighbor IP 192.168.12.2, and then I will write here remote AS. Remote AS. So here, what is the AS of this neighbor? So we have one only. So I wrote here 1. So this configuration is done. I make the neighborship from here to here. Manually we need to make, because in the BGP, automatic neighbor will not discover. You need to configure manually, and you need to advertise this network. If you want to advertise this network, you need to use the network command and network ID, and then write here mask and write the mask, subnet mask. So here, if you remember, this is the network ID. You have this one /8. /8 means only single network portion remaining is host bit, host portion. So wherever you have host portion, you will make 0. So network ID will be 1.0.0.0. So that's I wrote here. And whatever the subnet mask. So this BGP configuration done in the R1. Now we need to go to R2 and do the BGP configuration. So what I will do here, I will go to R2 here, and in the R2 we need to do the configuration from the scratch. I will write here host name is R2, and let me assign the IP address interface E0 by 0. I will write here IP address. We have 192.168.12.2. Give space 255.255.255.0. I will write here no shut, and then I will create one loopback. I will write interface loopback 0 IP address 2.2.2.2. Give space 255.0.0. I done the IP address. Just I assign the IP address here. If you want to see, you can see here. Now I will do router BGP1 neighbor. Who is my neighbor? Neighbor is the R1. What is the IP address of the R1? I will write that. Then remote AS is 1. And what I need to advertise here, I need to advertise this. So network ID I need to write 2.0.0.0 and then mask 255.0.0.0, and you can see neighborship come up here. Okay, now if you want to check, you can write here how you can check the routing table, show IP route, press enter, and you can see you will get the B here. This is the routing table, show IP route, and you can see B stand for BGP. So you are getting this route from the IBGP. If you are getting from the IBGP, AD value will be 200. If you want to check, you can write show IP BGP. This is a BGP table. You can see you are learning here this network, and next hop will be this one, and this one you are learning, and next hop will be 0.0.0, means you this router itself advertising this network. That's why you have 0.0.0 next hop. And you can see here star and greater than symbol. Star means valid, greater than means best. So this is valid and best. This is also valid and best. This is a BGP forwarding table. Show IP BGP summary you can type, and you can see this is the neighbor table. I am here in the R2 and you can see 192.168.12.1 is our neighbor, and we are using IP version 4. Neighbor AS is 1, message receive is 6, message send is 6, and table version is 3, and we don't have incoming queue, outgoing queue, and from this much time this route is up, and this neighbor is advertising one prefix. Okay, so this way we can read. And now if you want to see show IP route, and you can see you have the one dot network. Now you can ping, reply will come. See, it is working perfectly. So this one we can say this is a IBGP, internal BGP, because both side you have the same AS.